Guys, welcome to the Excel Jet again and to the JetGenX channel. Today we are going to learn how we can find the maximum or minimum value in a pool of data. Okay, so if you want to find the maximum value out of a series of data, like for example this is the data and you want to find out the maximum value, you are going to do it like this. Okay, let me tell you again. Press equal max, maximum, which stand for maximum, and select all the values or all the area where you want to find out the maximum value and press enter. Okay, so here you can see the maximum value is 854 in this series. Okay, and if you want to select or if you want to find the minimum value, for example, you can just select the minimum and select all the series here and press enter. You see, in this series the lowest figure is 32 and it report the 32, and you can find the formula here. Okay, let me show you again. Equal min, double click, select the data or the area and press enter. Okay, you see it is 31, and let me show you somewhere here. Okay, mi and the minimum value, if you can see here we have the minimum value is 1. Just let me select all this here and press it. You see, now it report the $1, that this is the minimum value in this series. And if you want to search the value in all this data, again you can do it. Press equal and min, okay, double click it and select all the data like this and press enter. You see, again it will report the minimum value in all the selected area. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.